What's going on, YouTube? How's everybody doing? People around the world that watches my videos. What's cracking, dog? Alright, so we made it to a river. It finally quit raining. It's pretty cold. It's about 40-some degrees. Let's try this technique. Let's see what happens. What commits to bite. The water's pretty murky because of course all this rain. Let's see if we could catch some fish. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. Guys, fish on. Skipjack. Alright guys, my GoPro died, like always, of course. First species of the day is a skipjack. See if I can hook him. There we go. Skipjack, he's bleeding now. Let's take a picture of him. Picture. Skipjack, first fish. Let's let him go. There we go.
I'm putting the grease on him and get him up top. I know what he is. He's a big old drum.
Drum?
Yeah, I can always tell because you can feel the top, the dorsal fin flicking on the line.
Yeah, that's right.
There he is.
Yeah, you called it. That's a nice one.
Yeah, these things are fun. I made a whole video on my GoPro down there one day.
You ever ate one before?
Ooh, no. This is a healthy one though. If you was gonna eat one, I would probably go for a smaller one, but
yeah, I always catch and release, so
I don't even like taking them out of the water.
oh, okay.
Because they freak out as soon as you grab them.
Yeah, that's what happened yesterday.
They don't like it at all. Usually if I can, I'll get a hold of the bottom of the hook and push it out.
Okay.
And just let them out.
Nice. He's on the board with the skipjack.
Yeah, they'll hammer it though.
Nice.
That's good stuff, man.
Right.
Great bait, man. They're so thick.
Especially for
River,
catfish.
man.
Yeah.
So thick. Girthy.
Nice. Oh, okay, you're good. Oh, he broke off. And he took my rooster tail. God damn.
Yeah, the one's this size, man. I'll go ahead and take them out of the water.
Yeah.
Them big ones, they'll throw their weight around.
Nice.
There's no small one, I think.
He is crushing them, guys.
Might be a stripe. Yeah, he's a white stripe.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm gonna say.
Oh,
Fighting
yeah.
Like a drum.
Nice.
That's a fish.
Yes, sir.
That's what I come to catch.
You ever ate one before?
Oh man, I grew up eating white stripe, man.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, I grew up fishing on Barkley Lake and Kentucky Lake. Down at the lower end of it. At the bottom end of the Old Tennessee River. That's a fat one.
Guys. Well, it's actually a white bass.
Is it a baby white bass?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's crazy. Guys, he is killing now. Drum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, drum.
Ate that paddle tail. Inhaled it. Stripped it off the jig and everything. What are we gonna do about that?
Nice. Oh, I caught something too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got one.
I'm just scared he's gonna rip me off.
You rolling?
Yeah, he's rolling. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a healthy one there. Alright man, Mike.
Alright.
Mikey?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
You leaving?
Yeah man, I'm starting to get it out here.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
You know where they're at? How to get them now, man.
Right?
We get you a video made.
Yes, sir. Guys, I finally have him unhooked. Let's let him go. We doubled up. Oop. Sorry, buddy. That was too rough. Guys, fish on. I'm not sure what it is. Drum. Big old drum, guys. Let me get down there. Come over here, buddy. Oh, he broke off. I knew he was gonna break off. And he has my rooster too. Let me see if I can get him. Guys, I've got a bass. Finally, a bass.